Hey there, y'all. Lolita's in the kitchen. So what does that mean? That means I'm fixing to cook something really good. So if you're not subscribed to Cooking with Lolita, click that red subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. So stay tuned. Alrighty, today we're going to make blackened tilapia. You'll need a lemon. You'll need some pecans. Of course, a side of potatoes would be good. Zatarain's New Orleans blackened seasoning. Minced onion. Parsley. Garlic powder, alrighty, preparing our tilapia. I've washed this, got some rubber gloves on to be very sterile and clean. So let's put the tilapia right here, and we're getting ready to get it prepared to blacken. Okay, right there. And what you want to do is put your seasoning on there. We like our food in Louisiana very spicy. Yes, yes, yes. So, now, that's my seasoning. Zatarain's blackened seasoning. You can go online and also find some others, and I'll put some links if you want to make your own seasoning. But I prefer this because it's New Orleans style, and it is oh so good. Then I'm going to put some minced onion on this. Sprinkling the minced onion, just sprinkle a little on there. Sprinkle a little of your garlic on there, making it a little fast. So then we want to turn this over, but before that we want to rub this in good. It's really good deep down into your fish. So it's going to taste so delicious. Okay, now let's flip this over. We're going to do the same thing again. Put your blackened Zatarain seasoning. Oh Lord, I wish I were here right now to smell this. This girl's getting hungry. This sit for about an hour. I sure am, because I want it to taste good. So, stop this. Now, let's put a little parsley on there. Yeah. Let's put some parsley on there. On there, make it look good, tasty from the top here, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to cook this goodness. And I always put lemon on mine and crushed pecans. If you've never had it this way, you're missing out. Alrighty, the tilapia is ready to go into the oven. I have put on this blackened tilapia some good pecans. It'll make a crust on top. I've also thrown in some Louisiana breaded good old shrimp. So we should have a very good meal today. I also squeezed lemon into this tilapia. So I'm going to cook this at 400 for 20 minutes. And then I'll show you the finished, oh so good, delicious product. Alrighty, y'all. Lolita's sitting at the table, and Big Show's over there playing with some cocktail sauce because we're going to have some good old blackened tilapia. Look at this goodness. Now for the taste test. This girl's fixing to come in. Cons on it. Taste shrimp yet, baby?
Yes.
What do you think?
My Cajun queen has come through again.
Ooh!
Boy, she...
After all these years, I'm still his Cajun queen. Very good. And you know what, as I always say, this girl's gotta go. Because she's gonna chow down. Hubby's chowing down. Big Show's got a good woman.
Not the best.
Am I the best? Gotta go, y'all. Love to all. Have a fab day. Share my channel. Let's grow together. Let's share together. Let's just keep eating good and almost choked on that neighborhood. Bye.